Hey gang, this is Steve, also known as Stand Tall Steve, and here is another Stand Tall statement. This one's all about this, a smile. That's right, the power of a smile. Hey, I know we got a lot of things going on in our lives, you know? You get into school, you get into work, you're doing what you're doing, you're focused on what's necessary. Somebody says something nice to you, you get a little smirk to them or something, or you forget the smile. I am challenging you to put a smile on in between classes, during your regular lesson, purposefully. Smile. Look at people. Give them a point, thumbs up, and a smile. They'll say to you, hey, what's that for? Nothing. You just made me smile. It makes the other person feel good, and it makes you feel good. Now, don't force it, but try to get like a little bit of a smile. Show a little bit of your pearly whites, and I guarantee you, you'll feel better, and other people will feel better too. Put a smile on. It'll help your students. It'll help you. It'll help everybody else around you. Do it. This is my name, Steve Bowler, also known as Stand Tall Steve, and that is your Stand Tall statement. Smile.